Hello everybody, this is I.C.E. Today we will continue with our foundation class, page 2, numbers. And today we will introduce number 7, 七. Qi in Chinese is spelled as Q-I, first tone. The posture with our fingers is like this. So to Chinese people, we use our 3 fingers and put them all together. And this is Qi if you want to use your hand to present it. And the first thing we want to talk about, Qi, number 7, is in Chinese language, for the days of the week, we simply just use numbers to say weekday 1, weekday 2, until weekday 6, Saturday, okay? So basically, Monday in Chinese is 星期一, weekday 1. And 星期二 is Tuesday, 星期三 is Wednesday, 星期四 is Thursday, and 星期五 is Friday, 星期六 Saturday. But only Sunday we don't use number 7. I guess it's too busy. 星期七, 星期七. We say 星期天 or 星期日. 星期天 more spoken language, 星期日 slightly more formal. 天 and 日 both means days. So basically the day of the week. So Sunday, 星期天 or 星期日, not 星期七. And the second funny thing about number 7, qi, is in China, because number 7, qi, sounds very similar to the pronunciation of 吃, which is eat in Chinese in Mandarin. And in some dialects, that's even more similar. So a lot of Chinese restaurants use number 7 in the phone number to have the feeling of related to eating. If you have ever stayed in China before, and if you have ever ordered McDonald's in China before, then you'll know the delivery phone number of McDonald's in China is 400, that's kind of service number, and continue with 517, 517. 517 in Chinese actually sounds very similar to I want to eat in Chinese language. So that's why they choose 517 as their phone number for delivery. Since 5, 5 sounds like 我, which means I, and 1 in Chinese has another pronunciation rather than 一, which is 要. 要 sounds like 要 as need. So 我要 basically means I want, I need something. And 七 sounds like eat, 吃. So 517, kind of saying I want to eat, I want to eat. So this is the second thing about number 7. And other than that, we want to introduce some words about number 7 as well. The first word about 七 is 乱七八糟. In Chinese, 乱七八糟 means messy. 乱 in Chinese means messy, and 糟 means horrible. So 乱七八糟 literally means mess everywhere. And you can use 乱七八糟 as an adjective. For example, you can say, my room is 乱七八糟, or my hair is 乱七八糟, okay? And another word we want to introduce about number 7, qi, is called 七情六欲. Qi means 7 and 六 means 6. Qing in Chinese means emotions, feelings, and yu means desires. So 七情六欲 in Chinese basically means all the desires that we have as a human. So in Chinese, we use 七情六欲 as a noun to say it's quite normal to have this kind of feelings because this is average people's needs. So simply you can say 每个人 everybody 都有 all has 七情六欲 needs in general in life. Alright, so that's the general introduction of number 7, qi in Chinese for today. Thank you.